Hi, Jackie Van Riller here. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of my very favorite facial reflexology tricks. I love this one. You can do it on yourself. You can do it on clients. And I am going to post the face map on my Instagram page at Jackie Van Riller, so make sure that you check that out. This shows you where all the organs are. So this is going to show you how to balance the energy of your organs using your magic wand and a pendulum. You do want to use the magic wand or something that's metal because you need something that actually transmits electrical currents, which is how energy travels through your nervous system. And then the pendulum measures it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through all the organs on the face. I'm going to show you how to see if the energy is running smoothly to that organ or not. So we're going to start with the kidney spots in line with the corners of your mouth, all the way up to the hairline and then down just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the magic wand on that point, and I'm going to allow the pendulum to move either clockwise or counterclockwise. My pendulum is moving clockwise, and that means that the energy is flowing well through that organ. The body flows, energy flows through the body in a clockwise manner, and so when the pendulum is reading it, you want it to read clockwise as well. We go to the other side. You just find that point in there. Okay. And this is also moving clockwise, so that's great. We want it to move that way. Now, if it wasn't moving that way, what I would do is I would do some little circles on the face, preferably clockwise, but it actually really doesn't matter. And then I would test it again, and most likely it'll be moving clockwise once I do that, because we're opening up that energy flow. Okay. Now, if your pendulum is not moving when you're checking it, then you may need to train your pendulum. So what you do is you're holding it, and you're always holding it with your first finger and your thumb because that completes a circuit. And you're going to say, this is yes. Yes meaning that yes, there is good energy flow. You're going to do that 3 times. This is yes. Stop it again, and then this is yes. Then you're going to do it counterclockwise and say, this is no. This is no, and this is no. And once you do that, that should solve that problem of it not moving for you. Okay. Next area we're going to start is the heart, and that is right between the eyes, here on the bridge of the nose. Mine is moving in a clockwise direction, so that means I have good energy flow. Okay, then I'm going to come to the right side of my face. I'm going to check the liver in line with the bottom of the nose, directly under the iris of the eye. Mine is moving clockwise. I'm going to move over a little bit more, check the gallbladder, and that is moving clockwise. Then I'm going to move up from the liver a little bit and check the right side of the lung. That is also moving clockwise. Then I'm going to move to the other side of the face, check the spleen, the gallbladder. Spleen and stomach. In line with the flare of the nose and directly under the iris of the eye is the spleen. Mine is moving clockwise. Just a little bit above the spleen is the lung for the left lung. Mine is moving clockwise, so we're good. In line with the bottom of the nose, directly over the smile line is the stomach. Mine's going clockwise again. Then we're going to check the large intestine. So in line with the nose, between the nose and the mouth, about halfway, we get the large intestine point on the left side. Mine's going clockwise, so we're good. Check it on the right side. Oh, and mine's going counterclockwise, so I'm going to come in here. I'm going to work it a little bit. I can go up and down. I can do circles. And actually, it feels more tender on this right side than it did on the left as well. Okay, once I've worked it for a few seconds, I'm going to check it again. And now it's going clockwise. So I've reversed that energy flow or corrected that energy flow. Then we're going to do the small intestine, which is right in the center of the upper chin. And mine is going clockwise. Coming down, we get the center of the chin for the bladder. and mine is going clockwise. And then like with everything, we just want to work this front side of the ear or do circles around the ear to set that in, particularly if you've had to correct any of them. And this is a wonderful routine that you can do on a daily basis to correct the energy of your organs. We know that our organs hold certain emotions and they hold a lot of our health within our organs. Each one is associated with sense organs and emotions and different things that they do in your body. So if your energy is moving smoothly and correctly through your body, you're less likely to get sick. You're going to feel like you have more energy. You're going to sleep better, all of those wonderful things. And if you want to learn more about your organs, if you want to learn more about facial reflexology, I do have an online class coming up, the Pure Energy Facial Meditation. This is a beginner's facial reflexology class, and it also shows you a whole 30-minute routine that you can do on the face that will put your clients into a meditative state and balance their entire body. Every body part, every organ, your clients will feel amazing after this session. So if you're interested, check out my website. I will put the link in my description, and sign up for one of my free information sessions so you can learn more about this class and find out if this is something that you want to learn more about. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to comment on how you felt after doing this, or if you noticed that you were able to move or have the pendulum move, or if you had to train your pendulum. Alrighty, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.